got to the same standards where we began our journey in the 2010 year. So our motto when we started our journey to give proper discipline and right education, all-round development of the kids. So still today we are sitting on to the basics of our things. What are the motto we have when we started our journey? Still today we are sitting on to that. So nowadays, as you know that majority parents are concentrating and focusing on the education and career. But whatever the career, whatever the journey of the kid in the future, it will depend on the discipline and moralities of their persons. So the same morals and same discipline we are providing to our kids, along with the standard education. Everyone will provide the education maybe. But we are adapting technology consistently and we are upgrading ourselves to develop our kids' performance in their life. So education system, in the beginning days, it depends on the blackboard, one chalk, and one teacher, one textbook, one notebook. But consistently, we are upgrading ourselves towards the technology to learn, make easy. So when the mobiles are started, before mobiles, landlines are there. Before that, couriers and postcards are there. Now we are using mobiles every day. In a pocket, we are consistently translating our message to others. Like that, education also changed into the different manner. Chalk piece, blackboard, and textbooks to teachers to now AI teacher, artificial intelligence teachers also came into the perform. Computers came into the knowledge and classrooms are digitalized. Practical learning system came. So that's why we are adapting everything to upgrade our children, to upgrade our school. So whatever the day, nowadays, today is graduation day for the SKG and 5th class children. SKG children is moving into the primary education. So pre-primary education based on the activity learning and primary education also based on the multiple based learning. Teacher will teach, activities will be done, practical system will be done, digital content will be shown, and interaction should be done to develop their communication and academic knowledge. So as of now, from the 2013, government was adapted CC pattern to develop our kids' performance individually. Concept-based learning was started. So the same concept-based learning we are adapted from the JKG. So our first class, second class children also they can able to write their own notes with one sentence. When it comes to the third class children, they used to write paragraphs also. So before moving into the sixth class, so actually the primary education we used to learn reading skills, writing skills, observation skills and all of these. But writing skills are before based on without mistakes. But now the writing skills are based on the self-learning system and whatever the concept they learn, what they understood in the classroom, they have to write in their own manner. So same pattern we are implementing in the class, our school. Our children, they can able to write their own notes from the third class or fourth class. So majority kids are performing very well. So as per the based on the lead curriculum, so we are making them to learn in a positive manner. Along with that, we are providing for a primary education for up to fourth class. They are learning abacus mathematics also. And from the 5th class to 9th class, they are learning Vedic maths. So primary education is not only based on the reading and writing, and now we move into the concept learning based system. And next level, when we come to the 5th to 6th. So SKG children moving into the primary, that's why I explained about the primary system. And at the same time, our 5th class children moving into the upper primary middle school. There the journey will begin, subject should be taught over there and they have to understand every concept and they have to remember all the things for the sake of their future. So at the same time, majority parents are expecting IIT program from the 6th class. So a lot of IIT programs are there, a lot of banners are there towards the IIT. But actual IIT exam after intermediate, it will be conducted on online examination system. The same system we are implementing in our school. So no, I am proud to say this. No other school is implementing online examination as per the IIT program. So one and only our school is implementing online examination system in our school. So majority kids they are practicing a lot around 35 to 40 exams they are writing for IIT program. So and at the same time they are getting online app practice system. In the domestic home they have to practice their app. Our kids are practicing much more with the app. Few kids they practiced around 11,000 questions, 10,000 questions for a topic. So how they are learning the system of IIT program is most important. So they are understanding the concept, they are understanding the system, and they are practicing a lot towards the improvement of that subject. So as per that, up to 8th class, they are implementing IIT program this year, and we are moving towards the 9th also next year. We are implementing in the 9th class next academic year. Same IIT program will be continued. At the same time, our IIT children participating and writing their competitive exams, nationwide exams. Recently, our 32 kids participated in SOF examination. They are conducting international level exams. So, out of 32 kids, around 20 kids were selected for the next level, so district level to state level. State level to, they are selected for nationals. Out of 20 kids, around 10 kids were selected for the nationals also. So maybe sooner possible we have that national exam also. Already our children got some certificates and medals over there. So depends on their practice and performance, they are improving themselves towards the academic program. And we hope in a rural area this kind of system is a standard system which we are following. Most of the children performing outside very well, and after leaving the school also in intermediate or after completing intermediate, more than 80% kids we surveyed over from past 7-8 years. Children's details, we got the survey report. Around 80% kids are well settled in their career. This is what our Takshila, it's a Katinashila, our meaning is. So as per that, our children performing outside very well, remaining 20% also in good position, and we are guiding. Every school is to have 1 or 2 kids backwards rural learners. We are guiding them towards their career, how to plan their career and how to do their things in their career, in their life, because some of them are out of academics. So we guided them towards the business or any professional careers. So careers, they are doing all very well, and still today, whatever the morals, whatever the discipline they learn over here, same kind of nature they are maintaining outside. It's a proud thing for our side, and our nursery kids also wishing outside with the 2 hands with namaskar. So every namaskar will shows their culture and sanskara. So same thing, culture will shows. So our kids are maintaining the same culture, same discipline over here. So we are very proud about our children, and as per institution development and upgrading ourselves, we are getting parent support wonderfully. So mostly I am expecting that the same support, same honor we will get from our parents to motivate us to perform well and to upgrade ourselves and to upgrade our children. So thanks for all the parents who are here to encourage us, to encourage our children. And we'll move to the next certificate session. Before that, thanks to everyone. And today's program, all the dances are composed by our teachers. They sometimes, so I have to mention our teachers specially, because majority people they are not ready to come into this profession. The teacher will be honored for entire life, but the stress that they are facing with the different manner, so it's a lot. They are handling their families, they are handling their kids. In our home, 1 or 2 kids maintaining is a difficulty, but in each class, 30 to 35 kids they are maintaining in a classroom, as you can imagine. So a lot of queries, a lot of doubts from them, and at the same time, a lot of pampering from the parents. So all the gatherings getting to be present towards the teacher. So even though our teachers are doing well, I hope, and they are active about their things and their personal things also, and they are performing in all-round development individually, teaching not only teaching part, all the cultural programs, all the today's dance performances and everything, they are doing wonderfully. I hope they continue the things. Thanks to them also. Thanks to our parents for supporting us. And this is not annual day, so treat it as. Please make comfortable in your seats to watch your kids' performance. So mostly next year we'll announce. As you know that almost senior parents know that 2020 we conducted annual day, the biggest program in Silsilla. So mostly I expect in the next year the program will be conducted over here. So thank you to everyone, thank you to one and all for giving your wonderful support to our school. So ma'am, we'll move to the next.